English Vocabulary Part 4. In this video you will learn English vocabulary. You will learn basic vocabulary with things that can be found around the home. You will also learn the pronunciation, the sounds of the words, and how the words are written. Tools. Tools for work. Screwdriver. Screwdriver. Posi drive. Posi drive. Screwdriver, flat end. Screwdriver, flat end. Hammer. Hammer. Side cutters. Side cutters. Pliers. Pliers. Thin nose pliers. Thin nose pliers. Adjustable spanner. Adjustable spanner. Pipe grips. Pipe grips. Electrical screwdriver. Electrical screwdriver. Wood chisel. Wood chisel. Drill bit. Drill bit. Allen key wrench. Allen key wrench. Glass cutter. Glass cutter. Scraper. Scraper. Tape measure. Tape measure. Tape. Insulation tape. Stanley knife blade. Stanley knife blade. Wall plug. Wall plug. Screw. Screw. Mole grips. Mole grips. Inspection mirror. Inspection mirror. Electrical tester. Electrical tester. Spirit level. Spirit level. Ladders. Ladders. Padlock. Padlock. Cordless drill. Cordless drill. Cordless driver. Cordless driver. Toolbox. Toolbox. Thanks for watching. Email me valiranalee@gmail.com.